about it. And guess what? I am on vacation, and I just wanted to come back to show you guys my skincare routine. I think it's super important to take care of your skin when you're on vacation. So let's hop straight into the video. Okay, so I'm going in with my aloe vera face wipes. I got these from Burlington Coat Factory or TJ Maxx, one of the two, but they have a lot of face products. You can really use any face wipes that are your favorite, but I'm just going to go ahead and use these to clean off all the makeup residue that I have left on my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face off with some cool water just to clear out any other dirt or debris that might be left over. I'm going to go in with my charcoal exfoliating scrub. This is my absolute favorite. I also got this from Burlington Coat Factory, one of the two, Burlington Coat Factory or TJ Maxx. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this all over my face. This helps pull out any leftover dirt and debris. I love this stuff. So next I'm going in with my facial cleansing brush. I'll link the brand of the one that I am using in this video down below. You can get them off of Amazon. You can also get them at your local beauty supply store or anywhere. So I'm going to use this to just go ahead and maneuver all of the facial cleanser around my face and make sure that it really gets into my pores and gets all of that makeup and dirt and stuff out. I'm using the soft bristle attachment for this as well. Now that my face is clean, I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C. This I got from Sephora. It's by a company called the Inky List. I absolutely love this stuff. I'm just gonna put 4 small dabs on. You don't really need a lot. A little goes a long way with this stuff. Just gonna go ahead and rub that into my skin. You guys already know that vitamin C is extra good for your skin, so I definitely don't skip this step. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub that in. And then I'm going in with my hyaluronic acid by the same company, the Inky List. This helps keep moisture in your skin. So again, with this product, a little bit goes a long way. I'm just putting 4 like little tiny pea-size amounts over my face, and I'm just going to rub that in as well. So I'm going to go in with my Bioderma. It's a hydrating moisturizing cream. I use that to kind of seal in the moisture, especially when it's nighttime. I like to use this. During the daytime, I'll usually use a SPF moisturizing cream. This doesn't have SPF in it, but for nighttime purposes, this is what I use. And then of course, I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth. I'm gonna go with my Laneige lip balm. I love this stuff. I use this every night, and I even use it sometimes during the daytime.